In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use sub-items in Notion to break large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This is a great way to organize projects and track progress. Let's get started. Open the Notion database where you want to use sub-items. This can be a table, board, list, or another database view. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database and enable sub-items if the feature isn't already turned on. Open a task and click Add Sub-item to create smaller tasks underneath the main task. For example, a task called Plan Vacation could include sub-items like Book Flights, Reserve Hotel, and Create Itinerary. Each sub-item can have its own properties such as status, due date, priority, or assignee, allowing you to track progress just like any other task. As you complete each sub-item, update its status to monitor the overall progress of the parent task and keep your projects organized. That's how to use sub-items in Notion. Thanks for watching.